today we're in New York. We're at Tex World. How does this compare to like a North Face jacket? Similar?
Similar.
It's a lot smaller of a show at Hardy Hats.
Yes.
These hats have print, embroidery, and rhinestones. But there's a lot of different manufacturers here. If I wanted to make my own waffle design, could you do any color, any fit?
Yes, anything, yeah.
We're gonna go to every single booth. Are there any other big brands that you are producing for right now?
Reebok, Fila, Umbro,
Reebok, Fila,
and
Umbro.
Gymshark. Yeah.
Gymshark, they're a billion-dollar company.
Yeah.
And we're gonna highlight some for y'all. What type of jacket is this?
Bonded Sherpa with a membrane inside. The membrane, it has qualities of waterproof, windproof, and breathability. Keeps you warm in cold winter.
Are any of these reversible?
If you need, I can make it reversible. It depends.
If I wanted to make my own Sherpa jacket, fully customized, what's the MOQ for something like that?
500.
500 pieces.
Yeah.
What would the cost be per unit, roughly?
Roughly, for this one, about 500, about $10.
$10.
FOB.
FOB price.
Yes.
If I did 1,000, how much would it be?
Maybe 5% low.
What's the lowest MOQ you could do?
500. 500 usually.
If I was making one, could I get a sample first?
Yes, you can make example.
And what's the lead time for a sample? How long would it take?
7 to 10 days.
And how much is one sample?
How much? About 3 or 4 times normal price.
So $40, $50
Yeah, $40 about
without shipping?
without shipping. Yeah.
I see you also have these rain jackets. How does this compare to like a North Face jacket? Similar?
Similar.
Better or?
Of course, lower a little. If I can do higher than North Face, it's unnecessary for me to stay here.
Okay. Is this also fully customizable?
Yes, fully customized.
And what would be the minimum if I wanted to create my own jacket?
Also 500.
And what would the cost be?
For 500, about 22.
And that's with, I see this has a Sherpa lining inside, right?
Actually, it's a detachable jacket. It has a fleece jacket inside. It's detachable. You can 1 or 2 piece together.
So I've actually had a North Face jacket like this. It's like a fleece jacket inside the raincoat. So it's really like 2 jackets that zip together internally. And he said for 500 of these, it'd be how much?
22.
And what would be the lead time for something like this?
100 days.
100 days. If somebody wanted to find your factory, how could they find you? Do you have a contact card? If y'all want to make any jackets, this is the factory. What was your name?
Makes you
Shu, Vivek. Nice to meet you.
Me too.
What would be the minimum if I wanted to make my own jacket with my own light? The MOQ,
1,000 pieces.
1,000 pieces. How does this work? Is there a battery in here that powers it?
The battery here?
Battery's right here.
Yes.
How much would it be for 1,000 pieces per piece?
It's around 40.
Around $40. What's the lowest quantity you could do?
100 pieces. 100 pieces. 100 pieces.
100. Okay. What would the cost be for 100?
50.
Only $10 more. If I wanted to make this and get a sample, could you do one sample?
Yeah, we can try.
How much would one sample cost?
Should be more, like 200. Yeah.
200. That's fair. What would the lead time be for that one sample?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. If I made 100 jackets, what would the lead time be for that?
3 months.
And then what about 1,000?
Also 3 months. Yes.
Can I get your contact card? Show y'all again. I saw this at Hardy. You guys do at Hardy hats?
Yes, very unique fashion. Tattoo culture, right?
Yeah. Is this embroidery?
Yeah, embroidery, print, rhinestone, complicated.
Yeah. These hats have print, embroidery, and rhinestones all on one hat. If I wanted to make a hat like this, what would be the MOQ I would have to hit?
1,001 style.
1,001 style.
Yeah.
If I made a hat like this with the print, embroidery, and the rhinestone, what would the cost be?
About $4. FOB China.
I want to do a lower MOQ. Can you do a lower MOQ?
No problem. For new brand, we just start from like 100 pieces. No problem.
100 pieces.
Yeah.
How much would this be at 100 pieces?
Maybe $5 like that. You can order different style combined together, and we save the shipping cost.
The hat plug. So I saw this. It's like is this a waffle knit? What is this
Yes,
called?
waffle. Yes, waffle.
What material is this made out of?
Which material? Let me check. 95% cotton, 5% spandex. Yeah, waffle.
And that's why it has like a little bit of stretch to it. Yeah. If I wanted to make my own waffle design, could you do any color, any fit?
Yes, anything. Yeah, we can do. Yeah, any color and your size measurement. Yeah.
What would the MOQ be?
And no Q will be 1,000 pieces.
Yes.
1,000 pieces.
Yes.
If I was a new brand starting out, could you do a smaller MOQ?
Yeah, I can support you. So I think at least 500 pieces.
And what would the cost be for 500
The
pieces?
cost. Yeah.
$6 too.
Around $6. And is that FOB?
FOB, yes.
FO price.
And what would the lead time be for?
If we get your order confirmation, I think it will be 45 days.
And if I wanted to make one sample, could you guys do one sample?
One sample, yes, yeah, we can do.
And how much would one sample be?
10 days.
What would the cost be?
$15.
$15.
Yes,
Cool.
yeah, just for samples.
Ooh, I also saw this. This is cool. So what is this print on here called?
这个是什么类型的印花？这个是印花。
Pressed print.
Press.
Pressed print.
Pressed
Pressed print. So
Yeah. Yeah, it's a press print.
Okay.
Yeah,
And what would the minimum be for something like this?
I think it will be 500 pieces.
500 pieces. Is this 100% cotton too?
Yeah, 100% cotton.
And what would the cost be?
This price is very high, about $10. Yes, because the pressed print is very high price.
So this is made as a pattern and then it's pressed
Press, yes, yeah.
and then it's dyed.
Yeah,
for
yeah,
color.
yes, yeah.
Do you guys have a card if somebody wanted to find you?
Ella, yeah.
Ella.
Yeah, Ella is very,
Here's Ella.
yeah, his business is.
So far, we did a container with it.
Wow. What'd you get?
Activewear. This.
You got a container of activewear.
Yes, leggings and bike shorts.
Do you have a store?
We're
Wholesale.
wholesalers.
Based in where?
Based in New York.
New York. Okay.
Yep.
You guys specialize in women's wear and activewear.
Women's
If you want to plug your stuff for our
S2
audience.
Sportswear, BSP Active. Check it out.
This
Yeah.
means so much to me. I love this. I love
Do
this.
a lot for Barcelona and Real Madrid.
You do a lot for Barcelona and Real Madrid.
Yes.
Is this what the fans are wearing or is this what the players are wearing?
For the fans.
Fans.
Yeah.
What would be the MOQ on something like this?
1,000 pieces.
1,000 pieces. What is the cost per piece if I got 1,000 of these?
This one around $8.
$8 a
Yeah.
piece. If I get more, does it go down? If I get 2,000, 3,000, 4,000? What's the lowest minimum you can do?
1,000 is our
1,000.
minimum.
You can't do 200, no 300, even if the price goes up.
It's very difficult actually.
Very
because
difficult.
200 is difficult to make the fabric. It's far away to the fabric minimum.
It's a
quantity.
waste.
Yeah.
It's a waste.
Yes.
So when I go to the Barcelona fan store or the Nike store, that's y'all.
But maybe also from other supplier, but we
Yeah.
do quite a lot for them.
What is your specialization at your factory?
We specialize in like yoga wear, fitness wear, running wear, cycling wear, and teams wear.
Are there any other big brands that you are producing for right now?
We work with Reebok, Fila, Umbro,
Reebok, Fila,
and
Umbro.
Gymshark. Yeah.
Gymshark.
Yes.
They're a $1 billion company.
Yeah.
Wow. Or what's the MOQ for something like this?
It's the same.
1,000 pieces.
1,000 pieces.
And this is 100% was.
There is a polyspanders. Polyester and
Polyspanders.
spanders, yes.
What's the cost for something like this at 1,000 pieces?
It's around $5.
$5.
Yes.
Is that FOB?
FOB Xiamen, yeah.
FOB. Do you guys have a contact card? If somebody wanted to find your factory? Rion Sports. What's your name? Figo? Figo. Got it? What's the minimum on something like this?
We don't have minimum. We have no MOQ.
No MOQ.
Yeah, no
Zero
MOQ, yes.
So I could order one piece.
Yes, if you want.
What's the cost of one piece if I wanted to get one piece of this?
So, considering one pieces, so based on your design, we'll do a sample first. For this one, for the sample freeze, will be about $30 to $50. It's based on your designs.
And what material is this?
We call this like a mohair.
Mohair.
Yes.
This is mohair.
Yes.
So $30 to $50 for one piece. If I got 100 pieces of this design, what would the cost be?
Will be about 20, 25, something like that.
25.
Yeah, just like an estimate cost.
What if I did 1,000 pieces?
1,000 pieces would be about like a 10, like a 15 something.
$10 to $15.
I mean like 15, start from the 15,
Start at
okay, yeah.
15. And is that all FOB price?
Yes.
Okay. This is crazy. So you guys do all this, the
Yes,
design.
right.
And I can do any artwork I want. I
Yes,
can put it in.
right.
And what's the minimum for something
No
like this?
minimums.
No minimums.
Yeah.
Again,
Yeah.
And what material is this?
This is 100% cotton.
100% cotton. And is the price the same?
That one will be a little expensive than that one because
What's-
that one contains more colors.
If I did one piece of this, new artwork, 100% cotton, what would the cost be?
Because it's with custom, so
Yeah.
you need to base on your designs and work. But I can give you an estimate
That's it,
with
similar
this
design, yeah.
similar design with this one is 6 colors. 6 color with 100 pieces would be about 26.
So the more colors, the more expensive.
Yes, right. Less color would be a little cheaper.
This is like that gradient. It's going from purple to white. What's the minimum for something like this?
No minimums. We do everything no minimums.
What's the cost for a sweater like this with this sort of gradient? Is this a print?
Uh-huh.
What's the cost of the gradient print?
They would be a little expensive, about $30.
$30. And what material is this?
100% cotton,
If I got 100 of these, what would the cost be?
$30.
Also
100.
$30.
Yes,
for
because
100.
100 pieces would be $30. If you do like a 500, would be about like a 28 or something.
What about 1,000?
I will calculate it for you later.
And I noticed you say cotton. Some places do wool. Do you guys do wool as well?
Yeah, we do cotton, wood blend, mohair, and cashmere. A lot of materials.
If I did the same type of sweater, same gradient, but instead of cotton, I did 100% wool, what would the cost be for one sample?
It would be double price.
Double the price. So wool is expensive.
Yeah, wool is expensive material.
For something like this, you guys are doing the everything. The zippers, are these YKK zippers?
Yes.
This is the premium zippers.
Yeah.
And then y'all are doing the distressing and everything.
Yes.
What's the minimum for something like this?
This one will be because it's contain like a complicated skills on this one. It will be a lot more expensive than the normal knittings. For that one, we will, if you don't mind, can I talk to my?
Yeah.
That one is no MOQ also.
No MOQ.
Yeah.
I can get just one. Just one.
Yeah, just one.
What is the cost of just one if I were to do the same thing?
Would be more expensive on the one. Yeah.
How much?
That would be like about $100.
$100, and that's-
because it's more expensive.
Is that FOB?
Yes.
So if I got 100 of them, what would the price drop to? If I wanted 100 of these pants?
The estimate price for you would be about like 60 to 70.
$60 to $70.
Yeah, so that one is
So a lot. If I bought this and I sold it,
Uh-huh.
how much do you think people would pay?
People pay what they got. They pay what the quality they get.
Yeah, this is good quality. If I got 1,000 of these, what would the cost be?
1,000 pieces?
Yeah.
I'll get a better price for you, like a little more cheaper.
What would that price be?
Maybe I can tell you a secret.
Secret price.
Yeah,
price.
secret price.
Okay. Do you guys have a contact card if somebody wanted to contact your factory?
Books. This is my card.
And what's your name?
My name is Nicole.
Nicole. Tap in with Nicole. So y'all are based, I see, in China.
Yes,
And
we're
you
in China.
specialize in denim.
We specialize in denim, yes. We absolutely specialize in denim.
What's your favorite denim brand out right now? Have you heard of Denim Tears?
Have I heard of Denim Tears? I'm from UK, so Denim Tears is based out here, yeah? To be honest, I've not heard of it, but you're probably asking the wrong person because I'm based out of UK.
What are the popping UK denim brands out right now?
Well, we're going to launch one soon, so we'll let you know of ours. We're going to think of a name. We were just speaking to someone out just now. There's a couple of good brands out there. One is Jaded London.
I feel like that brand, what's kind of in is like that baggy, old school denim, or at least in the US. Is that the same trend in what you're seeing in the UK? Like the really wide?
So how it generally works, basically, in the UK and the US, you could call them cousins, yeah? So what works in the US, normally 6 months to 3 months later works in the UK, and vice versa. That's it.
If I wanted to make my own custom denim, like new tech pack, new fit, completely custom with y'all, what would be the MOQ that I would have to start with?
What do you need? What do you want to do?
Let's say I'm a kid just starting a brand, super new. I want 100 pairs of denim. Is that something?
That's something we could do. It's not something where it would be cost effective for us, but to help you build your business, we're willing to do that. We have worked with people who have started their brands and they're doing quite well. I'm not going to name them, but we've started off at 150 pieces, 200 pieces, even 80 pieces. And then 1 year later, they are pushing numbers.
Wow.
But they are loyal to us and we are loyal to them.
Got it. What are you looking for in a new customer?
I'm looking for someone to challenge me, someone to challenge my creativity, someone who has got something different and someone that we can work with and develop something that's not out there.
Yeah.
For example, a piece like this. Yeah, it's quite unique.
It's crazy.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
I would look at someone to come in and make this style commercial, more commercial. So instead of selling 500 units, how could we sell 20,000 units of this?
Yeah.
And then do 50 other lines like that as well.
What if I just wanted denim with all these embroidered patches on it? 100 pieces, new silhouette, new tech pack, but I just want some embroidery on it.
Under $15.
Under $15. Wow. What about the more crazy stuff like stuff like this, or like stuff like this? Instead of 15, how much would that be?
It would be under $20.
Under 20. Wow. And that's all FOB price?
Yes.
If somebody was starting a brand and then wanted to contact you guys, how could they do that?
We're on email. You have our cards. You can.
Card. Let me see the card. Here is the card. So y'all know we don't believe in paid game. Over here at Superline, it's all about the free game. So the first link in the description is going to be all the manufacturers that we talked to at the show.
We stay giving you free game